Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's video where I'm explaining different pictures on my camera roll which you have all chosen over on my Instagram. I hope you enjoy. So this is our first lamb of 2020 and he's about 2 days old in this picture, and then we have Ash grazing. So this is what the sounds will look like when Dad was halfway through taking off the surface, and then this was from Mother's Day last year but I only got it on my phone recently. This is when we met Tim Price at badminton. It was absolutely amazing.
God damn, it's a tough bloody dog.
So this was a really great day for me as it was the first time I managed to win at the Grange, and then this is from a photo shoot with one of my friends. This is the rosette I won at Bicton, and then this is Eddie the morning before Bicton looking all clean. So this was the first time we'd ridden Ash with the lights on, and this distance was slightly too short for her, so she did find it a bit difficult, but she was nice and careful. She was very spooky this day, so we just kept the fences nice and low and let her be brave and figure it all out for herself. So we just jumped this before and she absolutely launched it and was terrified as it was the first time she'd ever jumped these fillers, but as you can see she did that lovely. And then here was the first time this year that I put Eddie over a 90 and he won it, and then we came second in 80. This is Nelly looking very cute. And then this is just a picture from one of our competitions. I think Eddie looks really cute in it. Ash's first time over a bigger fence with me. And this was the first time she'd absolutely aced a canter transition, as it's definitely something she struggled on. She was still running away with me in the canter, but overall I was really happy.
Oh, she looks good.
This is from when I tried Ash. She was definitely a bit wobbly and unbalanced, but she was better with her head as it was an environment she's used to, so she wasn't so anxious. Lanham horse trails. Little Nelly on the beach. And then this was the Southwest Iberian show, which I took my dad to as a present for saying thank you for camping with me at Champs, as he absolutely hates camping. This is one of my favourite pictures from Champs. Eddie sleeping at Champs. And then this is when we jumped to 120 just before. This is when I went on a young equestrian camps with him. He was a really good boy. And then here we have our first time properly jumping big fences out cross country. I know they're not massive or anything, but for him that's pretty big. This was my younger sister's horse, Polo. I have no idea what Eddie's doing in this picture. And then this is me and Phoebe on the beach. This is from when I flew to Germany with my school in an exchange programme. and this was at Badminton Horse Trials. There's Nelly again. That's one of our other dogs, Meg. One of the lambs. A pig. And the second time I ever took Eddie cross country.